Alright, chat, we have a plane. Alright, chat, I'm back. Boy, it's a pretty gloomy day today, chat. Yep, and the white planes haven't even moved, so maybe they're just beacons. Maybe they're just beacons, chat. Oh, chat, look, there's a green light flashing right here. What is that for? Alright, chat. Oh, look, there's one. There's one, chat. There she is. Oh, wow. Tapper, Portugal. A321neo, I'm guessing. Chat, what a day. Alright, chat. It ain't the nicest day. That's one thing I can agree. Hey, I'm hearing plane engines, dude. Back chat. Yo, someone just told me that that me being live is kind of laggy right now. Chat, I don't know why I'm lagging. Oh yeah, this is very glitchy. We're also not in a very good area. I mean, what we could do as another option is we could go to another spot. Alright, where should we go? What a beauty. What a beauty. I'm back, chat. Alright, so I've been suggested to move to another spot. I think that's ideal. Chat, I'll be moving to another spot. I'm just gonna look at the map real quick. I might cut off for a little bit. Let's just wait for one more plane to take off, alright? And then we'll move. One more plane, chat. One more plane. More plane.